Thank you, sir. So most of the points have been covered by our colleague MLS, sir. I would like to bring to your kind notice. As a doctor, I have seen a few points. I have been in medical practice since 15-20 years, sir. As a gynecologist and a general surgeon, I have never seen such a wonderful scheme like KCR Kit, sir. This has decreased the number of deliveries in private sector to such an extent that most of our colleagues, classmates, especially gynecologists and obstetricians who are in private practice, they joined government service. And it has decreased the MMR, that is maternal mortality rate, and IMR, that is infant mortality rate. Sir, my first question is, sir, we are giving this KCR kit to those ladies who registered their names in government hospitals within 84 days. But sir, we have seen the number of migrant laborers has decreased after formation of Telangana and after TRS government has come. But still there are some laborers who go to Mumbai and who go to Pune and they are coming for delivery to Telangana, and by the time they reach Telangana, it is more than 84 days, sir. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister through you, sir, to consider these patients also. And one more issue, sir. Suppose we are giving this KCR kit to those deliveries which take place only in government institutions. But suppose a lady at her home gets labor pains, calls for an ambulance or some other vehicle. By the time it reaches her home, she is going to deliver in her home. And we have seen cases of deliveries taking place in vehicles also before reaching the hospitals. So I request these cases also to take into consideration. Sir, third one. Sir, we have giving this KCR kit to only first and second pregnancies. Our intention is very good, sir, to decrease the family size and to promote family planning. But sir, suppose a lady has received KCR kits in first and second pregnancies. Suppose the first baby or second baby dies or both the babies die, she definitely goes for third pregnancy. And in that case also, we are not allowing KCR kits, sir. I request through you, the minister. And fourth one, sir, as a doctor, I have seen tubectomy failure cases, sir. Whatever the procedure we follow in sterilization, whether it could be laparoscopic sterilization or conventional sterilization, there are chances of 1 to 3% tubectomy failure, sir. In this case also, I would like to request the Honorable Minister to consider these cases. Last one, sir, though it is not significant, it has come to my notice that we are giving 14 items in KCR kit, sir. But some of the items are missing in KCR kit, it has come to my notice, sir. And last one is, in PSCs, 1,000 rupees is giving extra in addition to this KCR kit, sir. That is JSAY scheme. But they are not giving in community health centers, area hospitals and district hospitals. So I request through you, sir, the minister, to look into these considerations and solve the issues. Thank you, sir.
Minister Garu.
అధ్యక్ష, గౌరవ సభ్యులు రేఖా నాయక్ గారు, వారు గైనకాలజీ డాక్టర్ కావాలి, అదేవిధంగా జిన్నారం హాస్పిటల్ని అప్గ్రేడ్ చేయాలన్నటువంటి